Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the frequency function in Excel and also to make a plot of your frequency histograms for better visualization of your data set. So you've got your file out on the Moodle site, and just go and copy your data. And in fact, I've already done that and copied it into an Excel file here. You want to reformat that to have everything in a single set of columns. And I've also set up here some categories for the frequency function. I've used increments of 2 counts per minute. As I explained in class, we've got counts per minute, radioactive counts for background, and then for black shale from Owsley Fork Reservoir area, which has a fair bit of uranium in it, and therefore radon, which is what we're concerned about from a health standpoint. So what we do is, this is the background, so I want to test the frequency of each increment of counts per minute. I highlight the column to the right of the categories +1 cell. This, if there's some count greater than 62 counts per minute, it will be entered. Any counts greater than 62 will be entered here in that extra cell. So I now type in the formula equals frequency, open paren. I highlight my data array, which I have 65 counts per minute entries here. There's that. And comma. And then my categories, which Excel refers to as bins. So this is my bins array from 0 to 62 counts per minute by 2s. Close paren. Now here's the trick. This is an array formula. To make it work properly, I have to hold down the shift and the control and then press enter. And you'll see up here in the window up at the top, you will notice that the formula now is enclosed in curly brackets. That indicates an array formula. So now we'll do the same thing for the frequency of counts per minute. We highlight all of our bins, as they call it, +1. We type in our formula. We highlight the shale data. Comma. We highlight the bins for the shale count. Close paren. Shift, control, enter. Well, shoot. What did I do? I misspelled frequency. Now, in general, it won't let you let's see if I can fix it. All right. You can't change just one bit of an array, but if you change the whole thing and re-enter, shift control enter, it does work. So anyway, make sure you spell things right. Now I'm going to show you how to plot this. This takes a little bit of monkeying, but it should work okay. I'm going to highlight, I'm going to highlight yeah, that's right. I'm going to highlight my categories, and then I'm going to hold down Control and highlight my frequencies for the background radiation, and I'm going to insert a chart. I'm going to use a bar chart. Let's see. There it is. Now it's a bit confused here. It's plotting my categories just as numbers. So what I want to do is I want to actually remove series 1. I want to edit series 2, and now I want to edit my horizontal axis labels. That's where I put my count bins, and now it should give me there, that works. Now I'm going to add another series. I should give them a name, but I'm not going to. Just to save time, I'm going to highlight my frequencies there, and I'm going to say OK and OK, and that's sort of what you want it to look like. I'll show you my more nicely formatted one by opening up a finished version of this. So that's what I've got nice labels, and I've got axis labels, and I've got a proper title, and so on and so on. And so that's basically what you need to do to get a fairly nice looking, with a little bit more work, you get a fairly nice looking output there. Later I'll show you how to do the statistics, but that's enough for now.